Yeah, Vikrant.
Hi, sir. Good evening.
Good evening, Vikrant. Please go ahead.
Uh, First of all, I would like to say thank you to you because every day I start my day with the expressing gratitude first to you because of you my journey started, and literally it's almost like tear will roll out of my eyes. And I would like to share with the community what I achieved after completing 2XP growth program. So
Please.
I've been struggling in my life. I've been thinking a lot. I've been like I experienced a hell, 1 year of hell because of my senior, and he made my life very difficult. Then you came into my life. I started following you, and and then I done my 2XP growth program. And at that time, I was sitting at 12 lakhs with a very poor management and everything. And after completing the 2XP growth program, my right now my salary is almost
Wow.
doubled, and in a very good company like this company is 4 times larger than Accenture. So wrote those goals that I want to work in this company, and I was able to achieve that. And in those 2 months period when I was serving my notice, I realized what I want to do through your 2XP growth program. I realized that I want to become a trainer and life coach and motivation speaker. So I attended a 8 months program, very intense 8 month program to become a master trainer, and I completed that as well. So
Wow.
that was
Great.
my second goal which I achieved, and I I almost 60 people. I gave them 30 minutes presentation, and there were people from Accenture, from so many big companies, from government employees as well, even commissioner of custom as well. So
Wow.
everyone appreciated me. So all of these things, I just want to thank you for making this program, and I was able to become so much. So, and
Great.
not only that, uh, believe me, guys, my family is really happy now. I am living in a very good society in 3 BHK in Dwarka. We are enjoying life and everything. Yeah, we still have problem and we are dealing with that. But
Yeah.
what I have achieved with this program is unimaginable. And that's why I asked my sister, no, you have to enroll yourself. If you want to come out of your problems, you have to enroll. This is the only platform where you can grow and experience that in your life. And also, I was able to meet so many people. Recently, last month, Mercedes regional head came to me in Dwarka, and he sat with me for 1 hour. And we were discussing. And like that, I met with so many good people just because my mindset is changed. I'm more clear. And all those things I was able to achieve just because of this program. So thank you, Gurudev sir. And
Great.
I'm little
Amazing.
occupied, but very soon I'll start my morning routine as well. I'm
For
doing
sure.
yoga every day, doing yoga, and I'll be coming to retreat as well. And very soon I want to become the diamond membership.
Great. Thank you so much, Vikrant. I'm so
Thank
happy
you
for
so
you.
much, sir.